So today we're going to be doing 3 hours in 3 showers, and we're going to be silicon sealing them using Mapesil AC. Interestingly enough, the company was originally founded in Milan, in Italy, in 1937, which is a family-run company, and they went on to obviously become world leaders in what they do. And you can see the product itself is beautiful, and it's got built-in anti-mold technology that stops it from going moldy and horrible like the cheaper, nasty silicone sealant out there. So this customer in 8 years from now will obviously have the benefit of going, oh wow, it's not so moldy. Beautiful. Take care. And then this is me doing with the Hoover. So that was my Dyson Hoover that I rebuilt. I also put a DeWalt battery on it as well to give it a bit more power. If guys are interested out there, I'll do another video about sort of how to modify the Dyson Hoover to make it suck better. So it was really nice just turning up and getting on and silicon sealing 3 shower trays and helping a customer out. And this is the kind of thing I do in 3 hours. So if you have any questions, do message me through WhatsApp. At the moment, I get about 30 to 40 messages a day through WhatsApp. Obviously, it's just me, myself, and I, and an AI. The AI helps, but it's always myself that's actually replying to them. It's not the AI. I just proofread what it suggests and then make adjustments because it doesn't always get right. Obviously, AI sometimes is not 100% accurate, so I don't rely on it completely, but it is a good tool to have in your tool belt, and it does help me a little bit. So without further ado, I'm going to crack on and try and message you guys back. Thank you so much for your patience, and stay tuned for more. I'll keep you informed. And if you have any questions, just leave them below. And do sort of like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me get sort of like the message out of what I do and how I help people. And hopefully it inspires other people to, like, you know, pick up a paintbrush and get creative. So take care. Have a beautiful day. See you soon.